Hello everyone, this is Wendy. Today we are going to talk about lapel pins. Lapel pins are very popular in many occasions, and many designers turn their unique designs to reality. Here, there are various pins: hard enamel pins, soft enamel pins, and printed pins. They look amazing, right? Do you know how the lapel pins are made? In this video, I will introduce the production to you. First, let's come to the die stroke workshop. In the video, you can see that the pin is stepped out one by one, very slowly and gradually. You also can see the pin design, the raised metal, border, and all the details. The next step is cut them out one by one. Anyway, if your lapel pin design is 3D or irregular, we will proceed it in die casting process. Then, let's come to the filling enamel process. In the process, your pin will become colorful and unique because your pin will be painted with different colors. Note that the colors will be filled one then another. In the video, our workers filled yellow first. Now she's filling the white enamel. After pin finish, the QC will examine the lapel pins carefully to make sure each one is perfect before shipment. The last process is package and shipment. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.